Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. This is going to be a reset vlog. It's 30th of June and tomorrow it will be 1st July. 6 months of 2025 have already passed by. I think it's the best time to reset your whole space, organize things. Come along with me to reset for this new month. I have some time on hand, so I just want to, quickly declutter my house. Yeah, let's go ahead with that.
I love using the start of a new month to pause, reflect, and create a little more calm in my space and mind. I started by decluttering a few areas around the living room. It's crazy how just clearing out a few things makes everything feel lighter. Most of the time, all of us sit in the living room, and this is the most used place. That's the reason why, over time, a lot of things pile up in the living room.
So just a quick tip, जब भी मैं घर declutter कर रही हूँ, so I make sure that I take those respective items to the respective rooms. वैसे कर सकते हो, just pick up all those things and हर एक room में आप ले जाइए, kitchen की चीज़ें kitchen में, bedroom की चीज़ें bedroom में, and then later you can organize those things. So that's what I do.
Our living room is not furnished, but we have a few items from here and there collected over years, and I still kind of make it all work. So, I have learned over years that it's important to work with what you have, and you can still make your place look really beautiful. Our sofa is kind of old, and the color that we chose back then, I don't really vibe with it right now. So, to bring a cohesive look, I've ordered throw blanket from Amazon and it really works well. After decluttering, it was now time for lighting up some diya and agarbatti. The aura of the space automatically just becomes positive. Now, after the puja was done, I just had some mirchis lying in the kitchen, so I asked Sudarshan if he wanted to have some mirchi pakoda, and he agreed happily. So, here I am cooking some mirchi pakoda for us, which actually turned out to be really yummy. Now that Pet Puja was done, it was time for kitchen decluttering and cleaning. So I just quickly rearranged all the utensils. while decluttering, I was also talking to Piku continuously, and then in no time he was sleepy. And I quickly changed the bed sheets before he could sleep. Next, it was time for some journaling. So, it's my birthday month, and that's the reason why this month's journal setup was pretty special to me. So, I wrote down on 24th, it's my birthday, and we don't have any plans as such because it's going to be a hectic month for Sudarshan. But let's see, it's just a normal dinner or something. So I just jotted down all those things, wrote down affirmations, and it just puts me in a very positive headspace. My monthly spreads are not very special. I just kind of write down the affirmations, the intention, whatever Aisha has mentioned in the journal, or I follow those prompts. After which, I write down 3 habits that I want to mainly focus on. Then I write all the important dates that I want to remember, any list of miscellaneous items that I need to shop for, and the things that I need to get done. And then on an everyday basis, I just mark bullet points that I need to get done in that day, and I just fill those bullet points as and when I complete those tasks. So this I won't do every day, but whenever possible. So that was my monthly reset. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Subscribe to my channel for many more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.